Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I am Makeup Pixie and I make makeup videos. So today's video is an unboxing. I got a lovely little package from Influenster. Influenster is a site where anyone can go and sign up. It is free. You go, you fill out some info, you take surveys, and you get free stuff. It's awesome. Very awesome. Now, usually I get a lot of like lifestyle boxes, so it's like random stuff here and there, so I don't really like post them because it's just, I don't know, like there's just like a lot of stuff in there that I don't even like, I wouldn't try or I wouldn't whatever, so it's like I feel like it'll be false advertisement, I guess, in a sense. But this time we got something makeup related. I guess you can say it's more skincare, but whatever, still it's in our realm, right? Yes. So we got a box from Drunk Elephant, and it is I like the box. It's like very eye-catchy colors, very bright, very lively. I like it. So it says here, hashtag just dropped F-bomb. So inside the box, also lively, up, awesome colors. It says turn on the night lights, electrolytes for skin. So we have a little info sheet, and it says turn on the night lights, electrolytes for skin. Oh, it tells you like instructions. Oh, I got it. So I'll read the instructions after I tell you what this is all about. It says introducing F-bomb electrolyte water facial. This cooling, skin quenching overnight mask plumps and restores the balance of hydration and moisture levels to overly parched, stressed skin. Our 4 electrolyte blends help restore the water content of skin while protecting against its loss, which makes the lipids, ceramides, and oils in the formula even more effective at their job, keeping skin soft and supple. So go ahead, turn the lights on. I'm digging it. I am digging it. Why? Because I have sensitive skin, I have dry skin, I have eczema skin, I have freaking psoriasis. So my skin is always stressed out. Poor thing, I tell you. I should give him more water. But anyways, so this is awesome. So we have here the F-bomb electrolyte water facial mask. So from what I understand, it's an overnight mask. So it says step 1 pump of TLC Framboise for gentle chemical exfoliation. Step 2, top it off with 4 to 5. Oh, okay, I get it. So there's like a there's a cleanser that goes with this. Top it off with 4 to 5 pumps of F-bomb to plump and restore, and lights out, meaning take a nice snooze. So let's see. So we have here, their packaging is uber cute. Oh, it brings both, I think. So let's check this out. So this is the F-bomb electrolyte water facial mask. And then we also have here a little sample that I can't get out. Oh, right here. This is the TLC Framboise Glycolic Night Serum. Oh, I read that wrong. Sorry. I get it. So, no, I didn't. I'm so lost. Also, this is a cleanser. So it's like a serum-y cleanser. Interesting. It just threw me off with the wording. But anyways, and then it brings a little like info sheet thingy here that I'm not gonna read right now. This is the cleanser. Let's see if it smells like anything. No scent, which is awesome. Let me wipe my hand off. And then this is the F-bomb electrolyte water facial mask. Hydratant, whatever. Has a little secure thingy here, which we're gonna pop right off. And see if this has a, oh, it's like, this smells weird. But yeah, this smells so weird. Not like terrible weird, but it definitely has like a little hint of something. And I don't know what it is, but it's not exactly pleasant. But it's not like horrible. Anyways, so that's what I got from Influenster. I can't try it on now, obviously, because I have a face full of makeup in it, so I have to film a whole bunch of other things, so can't do it now. But I will definitely try it and see how it works out, and I'll write my review on the Influenster site, and that's all they ask for. You get free stuff, and all they ask for you is to review it. It's like very simple, no like, you know, no catch, no whatever. It's free shit for a review. I mean, come on, people. Go ahead and sign up if you want to. It's influenster.com. I'm very happy with this box. Like I said, I usually get like lifestyle boxes. Not really my kind of stuff, so whatever. But this was actually really cool. I'm excited to try it because, like I said, I have very stressed out skin, so hopefully it actually hydrates me because it's winter and I'm extra dry during the winter months, so that kind of sucks. So thank you so much for Drunk Elephant and Influencer for hooking me up with this. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.